Uh, wildlife is very important for us. Wildlife also provide us for meat, milk, skin, hides, etc. And wilds wildlife use for cultivation, carrying heavy loads. So wildlife is very important for human, and animals depend for plant growth and survival. So it is necessary to prevent plants and animal. Plants, the interdependent of plants and animal, and physical environment make which is called ecosystem is very important for us to maintaining the global warming. So there is no any unbalance between abiotic and abiotic environment to maintain the ecological balance and maintain the global warming. Next topic is vegetation. Vegetation. You all students, you also know that vegetation is very important to control the climate and growth of vegetation. Temperature and ability of water, land, relief, temperature is very important factor to growth of vegetation. Where rainfall fall very heavily, that area is called dense forest area, and where the rain falls middle, that area is known as deciduous forest. That area is very dry and less rainfall, about 25 centimeter per annum. That area is full of thorny and uh, cactus plants, and that plants have deep roots. That plants survive in the dry region like desert. You type of forest, you also know that there are two types of forest: evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forests are found in those places where rain falls very heavily and trees are very tall, and the leaves of the such kind of trees do not shed in a particular time. But the deciduous forests, the leaves of such kind of vegetation, such kind of forest, shed their leaves in a particular season, particular time, to save from temperature and warm summer. So after this classification, you also classify tropical and temperate forest. Next topic is depletion of forest and wildlife. You also know that increasing of population, industrialization, and cultivation is very important factor for human economic activities. So a large number of trees are going to cut. So, and you also know that wildlife is also found in the forest, and the forest wildlife is a habitat of a natural surrounding. So it is found in the forest area, vegetation area. So wildlife is very important factor for human. If we going to cutting recklessly of tree, so the tree is going less and wildlife is now going to danger. So climatic changes and human activities for agriculture, industry, construction led to the endangering of the species of wildlife, and some wildlife is going to extinct like tigers, elephant, rhinos, and black buck. So it is very important to save such kind of wildlife for going extinct and endangering. Nowadays, You also study about depletion of forest and wildlife, but you, I am going to teach you about conservation of forest. Conservation of forest is very important for human. So it is our duty to conserve forest, grow more and more tree. So government have make different kind of rule and regulation and promote growing more tree, and some method also going to organize in our school level. Children encouraged to form eco clubs, organize debate, hold poster making competition, field national parks. TC government also make national parks, and it is also done on the world level. You also know that Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Elephant also run by our government. In 1972, government also passed some laws to